Thanks for watching the video. I wanted to give just a heads up in case anyone was wondering on how to do this setup. All I did was cut from the first muffler or resonator, I'm not sure exactly if it's a muffler or resonator, near the middle of the SUV, and went straight back using a Y pipe. And then that's how I went from a single to a dual. And then it's hard to judge from the audio, but there's actually zero drone inside the cabin, and it's much deeper on lower RPM. So, in case anyone was wondering how it sounds from inside the car and city driving versus highway driving, it's pretty noticeable, but it's a really nice upgrade, I would say. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll try my best to answer them in a quickly manner. Thanks again for watching.